Hi there, welcome to our channel. This past week, Samsung unveiled the flagship Galaxy S21 series, and now it's time to focus on the mid-range segment, specifically the device called Galaxy M62. This phone has been listed on FCC bearing model number SM-M62F/DS. And although the Galaxy M62 was earlier believed to be a tablet, FCC confirms it's not. It's speculated to be the successor of Galaxy M51. Another interesting detail about this device is that it includes a 7000 mAh battery. This will be the second Samsung smartphone to come with a battery of this size. Additionally, the FCC listing also confirms that the Galaxy M62 will sport a USB-C port with up to 25W charging and a 3.5mm headphone jack. The 25W may take some time to charge a battery of this size, but this amount is much more generous than what Samsung usually offers for its mid-range smartphones. The FCC listing also leaks that the Samsung Galaxy M62 may come with 4G LTE, dual-band Wi-Fi, dual SIM and NFC support. It's also reported to feature a large display, and a past leak suggests that it may come with 256GB of internal storage. Well, that's all about the Galaxy M62. The document on the US regulatory website also includes model code SM-E625F/DS, which is rumored to be the Galaxy F62. Meaning we will likely see Samsung sell the same device with different names in different markets. Maybe they might offer few changes in cameras, but that's it. As far as other specs are concerned for F62 model, it is expected to feature Exynos 9825 SoC, at least 6GB of RAM and Android 11 operating system as per a Geekbench listing. We expect more details to emerge in the coming weeks, so do one thing, subscribe. And thank you for watching. Peace out.